Hello guys, so welcome to my review of the Alseye H120D CPU cooler. This is a single tower 6 heat pipe dual fan CPU cooler, and it comes with sRGB fans, which just means the colors won't move, it will just stay there right like that, and you can't really control it anyway. That's pretty much it. And on the specs you can see these fans are up to 2000 RPM with a 2.14 H2O. It's the fan air pressure of these fans. Noise is pretty low. And let me just show you the cooler. In box you do get a user manual. It does show which sockets this cooler supports. So as you can see, it supports LG 775115X. Here's LG 211, 2011. Here's all the AMD sockets over here except DR4. But that's pretty much it. It will support most modern CPUs. And here's the list of all the platforms you can use this on. So here's the cooler itself, and as you can see, the fan blades are really thick. I can show you. The fan blades also have sort of a design on them. Here they have some lines, and the size of the fan blade is a little bit smaller due to the ring over here for the RGB. It's made with really like thick plastic over here, like it's pretty hard. And the clips actually start from the front, and that's pretty good because that means you can pretty much use any fan with this CPU cooler. And the top has a really nice matte finish. Here's another fan. So let's take a look at the accessories you get in the box. And you do get one splitter, PWM splitter it is. So it's one PWM pin to 2, so you can run both the fans. And here is mounting bracket for Intel. And there is also an extra mounting bracket for AMD platforms, just in case if you lose your stock backplate that comes with the motherboard. The Intel platform kind of goes with the clips, I guess. And there is one thermal paste over there. Let's take a look at that.